welcome or welcome back to my channel. In case you're brand new here, hi, my name is Neha. I ordered some new stuff from Nykaa. Some of this is actually a restock and some of them are new products that I tried. So I thought, why not share a haul with you all? So let's begin. The first product that I actually repurchased is this. It's Maybelline's Master Chrome Highlighter. Now for the longest time now, I have been looking for like a good drugstore highlighter. Nothing beats this one in my opinion. It's perfect, especially if you're starting makeup or want a drugstore option, a good highlighter. You can definitely opt for this one. This is in the variant Molten Gold 100 and it's so good, very pigmented, and again the Lakmé's liquid highlighter is another good option. The next thing that I got is this is Fit Me's blush. This is the first time that I'm trying a Maybelline blush and it's in the shade 20 Hopeful. So I've actually used it a number of times and this is how it looks like. Now I'll give you guys my honest review. The pigment is not that great. Like इसमें इतनी अच्छी pigmentation नहीं आएगी. You have to apply it 2 or 3 times for it to actually show up on your skin. But when it does, it's actually very natural and sort of like inner flushed kind of look. So the next thing that I got is this. This is Maybelline's Sky High Mascara. I have heard a lot of good things about it, hence I decided to purchase it finally. Honestly, it is worth the hype. It will give you those HD quality kind of lashes, but at the same point of time, it doesn't give you as much volume as Maybelline's Hyper Curl Mascara. So if you're looking for like a volumizing mascara, I would suggest go for a Hyper Curl and not this. And if you're looking for sort of like a lengthening mascara, then you can go for this one. Next product is actually a restock. It's Maybelline's Fit Me Concealer. I don't know why, but this video is not sponsored by Maybelline at all. This is in the shade 20 Sand and this is again a restock. I don't know how many times have I repurchased this. This is a perfect concealer. This is how it looks like. It is very good. Like I personally really like it. It blends like heaven. And I guess it's perfect. Like if you want a good dupe to like the NARS concealer, this is the one. So next thing that I got is this brush set from Miniso. If you're looking for a good drugstore brush set, like a particularly eye brush set, I would just go for this one. You have all the applicants that you would need to do your eye makeup specifically. So next thing is again a restock. It's Maybelline Fit Me's foundation, the shade 120, and this is what it looks like. And this is kind of like a 3rd or 4th bottle that I'm using. Perfect foundation. I have a Superstay range. I also own that, but I would prefer this over that because I personally like a naturally looking foundation and I don't use foundation at all. Like I'm not wearing foundation right now. I use it only and only on special occasions. I don't feel like applying foundation, so whenever I do, I use this one. Next thing is this. This is actually Elle's Duo palette and it contains a blush and a highlighter. This was actually gifted to me by my sister and honestly it's perfect, especially when you're going to travel and you don't want to carry like individual products. You can actually carry this. The thing that I got is by K Beauty and this is my first K by Katrina purchase. This is their eyeshadow palette in the variant Bloom. This is what it looks like. Honestly, I personally really like this palette, especially if you are kind of like a nude pinky sort of girly and you don't like doing like sort of like a bold makeup. You can definitely opt for this palette and it's amazing. Like the pigmentation, it's so good. I've been getting so many compliments that I've started applying this eyeshadow palette. So I would highly recommend this. And the last thing that I got is this. This is again by Maybelline and it's their Fit Me loose powder and this is in the variant 15 Light. Now, after this video, I guess Maybelline should definitely sponsor me because I've been promoting them a lot. But jokes apart, I personally really like their products. They're affordable. At the same point of time, they perform like high-end. In fact, better than high-end. And I personally really like this brand. This is actually my 3rd or 4th tub and I have been loving this ever since. It gives you kind of foundation like coverage. I have applied it right now and it definitely looks like foundation, but it's actually not. If you're someone like me who doesn't like to apply layers and layers of foundation, maybe you can use this over your concealer and it will actually do the same job without making you look like a white cupcake. And yeah, those were all the things that I had to share with you guys. In case you have any more recommendations from Nykaa or you have review of any of the products that you tried from them, leave it in the comment section below. In case you like this video, make sure that you like, comment and also subscribe to the channel in case you're new. I'll catch you guys next time. Take care. Goodbye.